blood ravens, hear me! I am Aragast the Pillager, master of hounds, the lash of the Black Legion. You and all your kind are cowards, lowly lickspittles. You must be emulating that pile of bones you call an emperor. You are as dead and useless as him. I am destroying your worlds, blood ravens, yet you do nothing. I see your precious craft hanging in orbit above Aurelia. I am here. Face me if you dare.
Enough! I can no longer sit here in orbit while that treasonous filth lives. I swear I will deliver the death blow myself.
I agree, Commander. We cannot allow him to call us, and the Emperor, cowards. When we strike at this madman, there can be no falling back or tactical withdrawals.
Show your faces! Have you mastered your fear at last?
We know no fear.
Getting cover, brother.
You blood ravens are clearly fearless in your hurry to leave the sector. The courage with which you show us your hindquarters does your Emperor proud.
Turncoat scum, I will kill you here and now.
Very impressive. You have more steel than the rest of your muling chapter. Rejoice, brothers! Your slavery to the false Emperor ends today.
The only thing ending today is your worthless life.
Yes, and to the void with orders and niceties. But not quite yet, little blood ravens. First, a test. Make your way to my chosen battleground. Elephas, open the portal!
Yes, Lord. Enemy has us in close combat.
escape!
Commander, look. A way forward. We can finish this yet. Chaos Force is targeting me! Fight like devils.
A shrine ahead. It is sure to be well defended, but securing it would aid us greatly.
We must go now. Excellent, Space Marines.
Yes! Fight on for the Blood God!
No blow will go unanswered. You think they're Rex. In melee, get me out of the way. Objective taken. Scout squad ready for orders. Foot soldiers, trying to get a precise count.
Your running is over, traitor. Now you die.
Here's some words, Bloodraven. Now show me deeds.
Rain fire upon us, and we shall return it!
Here is the power you are denied. Who sacrifices for you, Bloodravens? No one! No one!
Feeds on them. Kill the heretics to weaken him.
Target, brothers. Such is the fate of the enemies of man.
Hope is the first step on the road to disappointment.
Open a portal.
No, I think not. A change in leadership is in order.
Elephants! You treasonous dog! No!
Let us to the mark, brothers.
Hope is the first step on the road to disappointment.
Escape this time.
Zeal and fury are rewarded with victory.
A fitting death for a leader of traitors.
Perhaps. But now we face an even more powerful foe in Eliphas.
Bah, he is greedy and honorless scum. He saw his chance to gain power and he took it.
And the prospect of Eliphas with more power somehow reassures you?
Commander, another transmission from Captain Diomedes of the Honor Guard. He has declared Gabriel Angelos a renegade and orders our return to Calderas. I have also uncovered additional information about Apothecary Galen and his expedition aboard the Judgment of Carrion.
This is madness. Gabriel is no traitor. We must expose the corruption among the Honor Guard. This may be your last chance for redemption.
The log entry which played when you activated the logic engine aboard the Judgment of Carrion was only one of many in the engine's cogitation archives. Listen to these additional entries.
The Emperor has granted us a miracle. Guarding the corpses of the brothers lost aboard this derelict, we have found a survivor. Librarian Kyrus is restored to the chapter.
And this entry, sometime later.
Bonaparte fell today, killed by another demon of the Dark Gods. All our exits have sealed, and our beacons have failed. We are trapped. Kyrus's psychic powers have saved us several times already. But how can he defend against the voices I hear in the darkness?
rest of the log is protected by ancient encoding rights, and these are strikingly reminiscent of the rights masking our traitor's identity.
And this is the same Kyrus
who is now Chapter Master and Chief Librarian of the Blood Ravens.
Even the strongest mind cannot resist the denizens of the warp indefinitely.
What happened to Galen himself?
He serves with the Chapter Honor Guard.
Blood Ravens, take heed. For the grievous sins of refusing chapter orders, spreading heresy, raising arms against his one-time brothers, and stealing relics, arms, and artifacts from the chapter. Gabriel Angelos is hereby declared an enemy of the chapter and sentenced to death. The renegade Angelos has fled, absconding with the battle barge Litany of Fury. I, Captain Apollo Diomedes, issue this declaration with full authority from Azariah Kyrus, Chapter Master of the Blood Ravens and Keeper of the Librarium. Knowledge is power. Guard it well.
Commander, the judgment of Carrion's logic engine confirms our suspicions. The encoding rights used by our traitor and in Galen's logs both bear a marked resemblance to those of the Chapter Honor Guard. With a copy of their codes, I could finally identify the traitor.